In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu and tap on those three dots at the top right corner to edit it. Then hit Edit Styles. Look for Caffeine one here, add it to your shortcuts and go back to click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!